So I'm just editing through some footage for an upcoming video right now. It's not done yet. It's probably a couple more hours work, and I still have to sift through all of this footage and this is the outro here. This is more or less what this is saying, but it's a bit different. But I started messing with markers. So let's say I create a marker here and I go into it and I want to extend it. So let's just put test, right? What I want to do is just go like that, and then I can drag this out and basically have it over a section of footage to let me know that this section of footage needs something. So for example, this bit here, this file here that I'm showing on screen, this was the video file that I'm actually filming to right now, and this is how big it got, which is a sizable increase. So I would need to show the increase on screen using probably a screenshot. But this is not done through a marker up in here. Oh, no. This is done through a marker that is in the nested sequence. So the way that my camera films video, it doesn't actually film continuously. It has to split it into multiple files. That's to do with the FAT32 file size limit. I think it's like 4 gigs, and then it starts spitting out errors or something like that. I can't remember. But in order to get the marker nested onto the clip, you actually go into the nested sequence and you can stick it there. The only problem is I don't actually nest my audio in here. So, I mean, while yes, I could just put my nested audio in here. Yes, I could do that, but that's not what I'm complaining about. Why can't I interact with these markers here? They are displayed on the screen here. I should be able to mess with them. So like I can double click into these markers and change. If I go to double click into this one, it opens the nested sequence and then opens this. But what happens if I want to drag this around? No, I have to drag the whole entire clip, which is not what I want to do. So if anyone knows a workaround for this or some kind of change that I can make in the settings or something I'm doing wrong, please let me know. But other than that, that's all I have to say. Come on, Adobe. Kick it into gear.